Hi, KY from KYspeaks here. Today I'm going to share with you my taoyuba and sambal belacan recipe. So taoyuba is basically braised pork belly with soy sauce and dark soy sauce. So before we start, of course you need sambal to go with this really sumptuous dish, right? So for sambal, you get good quality sambal belacan. You can get it from market like Penang and even Pasar Tani around here. Like value also got. You want to cut them in smaller pieces and then either roast them or fry it on a pan without any oil or anything like that until it's fragrant. You cut some either red chili or chili padi and pound it with pestle and mortar until it's all in the pot. Once that is done, just remove it from pestle and mortar, squeeze some lime into it, and there you go. That's the sambal belacan that later you will use. For this dish, I use pork belly. I have extra pork skin there. And then you will also need some mushroom, cut them in slices, and garlic, also some star anise, cinnamon, and that's about the ingredients that you need. I use a clay pot, but you can use any other pot. To start with, heat it up, and then put your pork, the fat and skin side bottom first. Sear it a little bit, try to brown all sides, then add in dark soy sauce or vinegar. So you want to make sure that you don't try to accidentally burn those dark soy sauce. Once that is done, you can put in water just enough to cover all the meat and add in your mushroom and also the other spices, star anise, cinnamon and garlic. Also, not to forget, we need about a teaspoon of Thai spice powder that really bring out the taste. And before we bring it to boil, add another couple of tablespoons of normal soya sauce. Close it, simmer in low heat for about an hour and a half till everything is soft. Then at this point, you open up, add a little bit of sugar, half a tablespoon or so. And then if you want to, dried tofu skin, this is the time to put it in and soften it in a few minutes time. If you have hard-boiled egg, that's extra protein, put it in as well at this time, right? So before serving, bring out those pork belly and cut it into bite size. So for Chinese food, usually it is much easier to eat using chopsticks or whatever when they are bite size. Cut already, put it back into the pot. And that is basically the dish. If you want to make it prettier, cut some spring onion and put it on top for some greens. And this is so very delicious, especially with those sambal that give it a bit of kick. Usually if I have this, it can be the only dish for the meal. It's perfectly fine. So if you like this, try it out. Like the post, give me some comments if you have, and subscribe to the channel for more. Thank you very much.